How to make money online in 2023. The latest trends and opportunities you need to know about. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and looking for ways to make money online? Well, you're not alone. With the rise of technology and the internet, there are now countless opportunities to earn a living from the comfort of your own home. Hello viewers, and welcome to our video on how to make money online in 2023. So sit back, relax, and get ready to learn how to make money online like never before. The latest trends in making money online. The internet has been a game changer for people who want to make money from the comfort of their own homes. In recent years, there have been some exciting developments in the world of online entrepreneurship that are worth keeping an eye on. One trend that's gaining popularity is podcasting. Podcasts have become a fantastic way for people to share their knowledge and expertise while building an audience. As a result, more and more businesses are launching podcasts as part of their marketing strategy. Social media continues to be another significant trend in the digital space. Influencers can now earn significant amounts of money by partnering with brands or creating sponsored content for their followers. The best opportunities to make money online in 2023. In 2023, there will be many opportunities to make money online. If you're looking for ways to generate income from home or on the go, here are some of the best opportunities. E-commerce. The rise of e-commerce isn't slowing down anytime soon, with platforms like Amazon and Shopify making it easier than ever to start an online store. Selling products has become a lucrative way to make money. Freelancing. Freelancing is another great option for those who want more flexibility in their work schedule. From writing and graphic design to social media management and programming, there are countless freelance jobs available online. Online courses. With so many people turning to the internet for education, creating and selling online courses can be quite profitable. Whether you have expertise in fitness, cooking, or business development, sharing your knowledge through digital courses can lead to a steady stream of income. Affiliate marketing. By partnering with companies that offer affiliate programs, you can earn commissions by promoting their products on your website or social media channels.